Happy fall, bakers! Today I will be showing you how to make the most delicious pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Let's get started. The ingredients needed are butter, sugar, eggs, 1 small can of pumpkin, vanilla, baking soda, cinnamon, baking powder, salt, flour, and chocolate chips. You'll also need a stand mixer, baking sheet, cooling rack, scoop, and spatula. It's time to bake. Your first step is to put the butter and sugar into the mixing bowl and cream them together. Please put your mixer on a medium speed, that way they can get well incorporated. Next, you are going to add in the rest of the wet ingredients. You are going to add vanilla, pumpkin, and eggs into your mixing bowl. Again, mixing at a medium speed until all ingredients are well incorporated. And then add in some of your dry ingredients, which are the baking soda, cinnamon, baking powder, and salt. Mix until blended on a medium speed. We are now going to add in our last dry ingredient. You are going to add in the flour. Make sure to do this gradually as it will begin to make the dough really thick. Mix on a medium to fast speed. Watch out for when you mix because as you can see, I ended up with a little mess. Now for the best step of all, add in those chocolate chips and mix at a fast speed. The recipe says 1 1/2 cups, but feel free to just wing it. After adding in all your ingredients, here is what your finished dough will look like. It'll feel extremely thick and sticky. Don't worry about adding extra flour to combine it more. This is the consistency you will want. Alright bakers, it's time to get baking those cookies. First, spray down your baking sheet with vegetable oil and make sure it's evenly coated. Then grab your scoop, grab some dough with it, and evenly space your scoops on the baking sheet. Don't worry about them being perfectly sized or shaped, they will still cook perfectly. Time to preheat the oven. Go ahead and hit bake, set to 350 degrees, and hit start. Once the oven is preheated, grab your baking sheet and pop your first batch in the oven. Now don't forget to make sure to set your timer. On your oven, select the timer, set it for 11 minutes, and hit start.
11 minutes later.
Once the timer goes off, hit the timer off and carefully with an oven mitt, pull your cookies out of the oven and of course, admire how amazing they look. Next, let's get them cooled. Take your spatula and transfer each cookie over to the cooling rack. Next, go ahead and grab one of your cookies to check the inside. You will notice that these cookies are soft to the touch, and when you break them apart, they will be fully cooked. Now you know how to make the most delicious pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. Thanks for watching, and of course enjoy!